Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem if you see can't connect to App Store, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to check your cellular data. If you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again, so just simple restart your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone, so just go to this general, in the general just find software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.